In this video, we're going to review and go over how to create an animation. So the first thing that I wanted to show you was that each of these fins, they move independently. So number one, they do move, which is a good thing. And number two, you kind of have to click on it with a mouse before they start moving. So we don't want to be moving each fin. And so part of the animation is making sure that you can move these fins. So if I go over here to the last 4 revolutes, the only 4 revolutes that we've been doing for this assembly, we can go ahead and right-click that revolute and create an animation. So if I click on that one and then I press play, you can see how that fin will be moving by itself. So the only thing is that it's moving 360 degrees all the way around. So, and then that's going to be reciprocating back and forth, back and forth. So let me just put stop there. And a better animation would look if we started at -45 and then maybe stopped at 45 degrees. The number of steps is how this is divided into between the -45 and the 45 degrees. So we can just say, we can move 1 step for every degree. So that would be a total of 90 steps. If we just press play, now we can see how it moves from +45 to the -45. We look at it from the top. That would be 45 degrees and 45 degrees over here. Okay, so that's how it goes. This thing's just going to keep flipping. And as you can see right now, there's only 1 fin that is flipping. We're going to have to enter these constraints every time we do an animation. So let's go ahead and revolute 1 and revolute 2. Let's see if we can make these 2 move at the same time. So we have a gear relation. That's the one that works best. And we can say, hey, the 2 gear relations would be like revolute 1 and revolute 2. So now in this case, and I can see this is going to have an issue already. The Z direction is going up while this Z direction is going down. I think it might cause some issues. Well, let's go ahead and test it out anyway. Here's the gear rotation. Let's do an animation now. So right click, animate from -45 to 45, and we'll leave that as 90 steps. Press play. Oh, it actually worked fine this time. If you have an issue with these rotating the wrong way, or if they start going opposite of each other, you wanted it to be flapping like a little bird. So both up, both down. If there is an issue, then don't hesitate to delete that revolute and just create it again. Just make sure that you're clicking in the right spot. So this is good news for us. We're going to stop that right there. And we're going to do another relation, a gear relation between revolute 3 and revolute 4. And you can see how those are going to be moving. Check. Let's do a test. So let's do right click and create an animation between -45 degrees and 45 degrees for a total of 90 steps. Let's press play. And these are also flipping both at the same time. So it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and stop this animation. And then last but not least, since these 2 are joined and then these 2 are joined, we just need to make one more relation between one of the top ones to one of the bottom ones. And you can choose whichever ones you want. Check. Let's do an animation one more time. So we have a total of 3 gear relations. Animate between -45 degrees and 45 degrees for a total of 90 different steps. And well, you see how these are going backward? There is an easy fix for that. The easy fix would be to go to the last setting where we make those two gear relations, and you can just click on reverse direction. So that should be okay. Let's check. If we move it with the mouse, we can easily check. And then if it is working okay, then let's go ahead and do an animate. Negative 45 start. 45 degrees end. And then 94 steps. As you see this would be an awesome animation. Yes, it does look like a little whale. That's perfectly fine. So that's it for the animation. If the animation is working fine and you know that your assembly is working perfectly, then the next step would be to get it ready for manufacturing. So this is it for this animation. Thank you for watching.